Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix error fetching domain CAA record in Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So first of all, you need to understand what CAA records are. The CAA record is a type of DNS record that specifies which certificate authorities are allowed to issue SSL certificates for your domain. If no CAA records are set, any CA can issue a certificate. But if they are present and misconfigured, Shopify's CA might not be authorized to issue an SSL certificate for your domain. Check for an existing CAA record. The first step is to check if your domain has an existing CAA records. You can do this using online tools like DNS Checker or MX Toolbox. Steps to check your CAA records: go to CAA record, lookup tool, enter your domain name, and look for any CAA records in the results. If there are no CAA records, that's fine. It means any CAA can issue certificates. If there are CAA records, you need to ensure that Shopify's CA is allowed. Add or update your CAA record. If your domain has CAA records and Shopify's SSL provider is not listed, you need to update or add the correct CAA records to authorize the DG cert. In order to update your CAA records, first of all, log into your domain registrar dashboard, go to DNS management or DNS settings section, find the option to add new DNS record, select CAA as the record type, and enter the following details: the name, TTL, type, and lastly value, and then make sure you save your changes. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.